Albania Nueva con Puerto del Emperador, the port of the Emperador. Today with our friend.
Hola, buenos días, yo soy Maite Pardo, soy la chef del Hotel Rural Primero, restaurante de la Pardoncilla, en otro pueblo muy bonito que se llama Barra de la Olla, y espero que disfrutéis mucho de vuestra estancia.
Maite is chef in another village in a restaurant called Charles I. And because Charles I was king of Spain, Charles V was emperor of the Holy Roman Empire. So sometimes you will see Charles I and sometimes Charles V. Maite lives in another beautiful village called Garganta La Olla. Estoy speaking Spanish. And both of them will prepare very special dishes, some of them extremely, extremely old. The first recipe has something very special. So special that Google Translator, who did not exist in the 16th century, didn't translate correctly. In Spanish, it is called escabeche de conejo con verduras y frutos secos. In English, the correct name is marinated orange flavored rabbit. Why marinated? If you look in most of the dictionaries, you will find all sorts of names, but not the correct one. They will say pickle, they will say jam, they will say preserve, but the correct name is marinated. And the Spanish word escabeche has a long, long, long history. It's the only recipe in the world that is practically unchanged for 1,500 years. Escabeche comes from scabeche, a very old Sanskrit word from old Persia. From Persia, it went to Baghdad, the most sophisticated gastronomically city of the world in the 5th century. From Baghdad, it went to the Middle East, and the Middle East with the Moor and the Jewish people to Spain. Until the year 1000, all the fruit and vegetables in Europe entered through Spain. The frontier were not horizontal but vertical. So with the merchant, with the caravan, the new fruit and vegetables used to go to northern Spain and northern Europe. Something very funny. Historians said that until the late Middle Ages in Europe, there was only one true vegetable. Do you know what it is? One true European vegetable, the cabbage. All the others were wild fruit, wild vegetables, nuts from the trees, but there was nothing really 100% European cultivated until through Spain, all the new fruit from Asia, lemon, oranges, almond, asparagus, berenjena, eggplant, or aubergine as they say in England. All those enter Europe through Spain with the Moor and the Jewish people through Middle East and Asia. At the year 1000, Northern Europeans who went to the Middle East, to the Crusade, returned with new fruit and vegetables. But until then, this recipe is the oldest recipe known in all the Larousse gastronomique, in all the official book, the only recipe perfectly documented and still in use in Spain, as you will see.
Bueno, primero echamos un poquito más de aceite de oliva.
Well, she would use the Spanish olive oil, extra virgin.
conejo troceado desacrementado.
Yeah, the rabbit parted in pieces, easy to manage.
Sal y pimienta.
Salt and pepper.
Y marcamos, ¿vale?
Well blended and golden.
Tiene que quedar un poquito dorado.
The pieces are to be fried until very golden. Do you know why Spain is one of the best dishes? Rabbit is one of the best dishes of Spain? No. She's going to add the vegetables.
Una cabeza de ajo partida con la piel.
Okay, a whole clove of garlic to be steamed.
Cebolla y puerros.
Leeks and onions.
Y zanahoria.
Carrot. Of España, the land of the rabbit. And that's what Spanish comes from.
Tomillo.
Thyme.
Y un poquito de orégano.
Orégano. Oregon.
Entero. No es lo típico.
Yeah. But here's the new part, the fusion kitchen on a very old recipe. Normally it's olive oil and vinegar. But this time she's going to use in the marinade orange juice.
Manzana, que también es importante,
Cider apple vinegar.
pero es de manzana en vez de otro vinagre de vino blanco al ser más suave para la fruta, ¿vale?
She used this vinegar milder and not an ordinary vinegar because she mixes it with the orange juice and has a subtle flavor.
También le añado granos de pimienta, más pimienta
Black peppercorn
y comino.
and cumin.
El conejo despacio debería estar cociendo unos 40-50 minutos, depende cómo sea el conejo. Tapado y a
Very
fuego.
slowly stew the
Exacto,
rabbit.
muy despacio.
Close or not close?
Sí, close, mejor close.
Cover.
Cover.
Y si hace falta,
Close is the door.
porque el conejo tiene que estar más o menos cubierto, si hace falta podemos tener un caldo vegetal, un caldo de pollo, un caldo de ave, un caldo de conejo para añadirle, ¿vale?
The
Pero
rabbit and the vegetable
close y
have to be
despacio.
totally covered. So if you don't have enough with the orange juice and the vinegar, you put a little bit of vegetable broth.
que antes se utilizaba para conservar alimentos, como bien ha dicho Nicole. Y
Madame Nicolette is Nicolette.
está mejor al día siguiente.
Yeah. It's one of those dishes that is always best the day after. If you want to have a party and receive friends, you prepare it on the Thursday to eat on the Saturday. She has 2 egg yolks. Egg. Yeah, so the yellow part, the yolk.